Mis oleks, kui tehisintellekt teeks sinu mõtetest video? Ehk sa sisestad idee, natuke kirjeldad seda ja ütled näiteks, et tee mulle inspireerivas stiilis 2-minutiline YouTube'i video. Ja siis tehisaju teeb sellele videole skripti, lisab selle kellegi hääle, lisab sellele pildi ja videopankades sobivad kattekaadrid ja renderdab videofaili valmis. Ja seda kõike vaid mõne minutiga.
Normees, mu aeg on piiratud.
Kui sul tekkis huvi, siis vajutasin video all olevale lingile ja proovi järele. Aga räägin edasi. Kunagi ma esitasin Mnemoturniirile tehisintellekti kohta ühe küsimuse. Küsimuse mõte oli see, et kui tehisintellekt peaks oma mõtlemisvõimelt jõudma külalolli tasemele, siis kui kaua läheb tal aega, et olla inimestest sama palju kõrgemal, kui inimesed on täna Sipelgatest. Õige vastus oli umbes 90 minutit. Andsin ühele veebist vabalt saadalevale tehisintellekti lahendusele teha sellest samast küsimusest video. 1 minutiga oli valmis lahendus, millele pakkus intellekt pealkirjaks AI from village idiot to ant overlord. Ehk siis Külalollist Sipelgate Valitsejaks. Palun.
Picture this. Artificial intelligence, once no smarter than a village idiot, now reigns supreme. Just as we tower over ants, AI has outpaced us. From struggling with simple tasks to mastering quantum physics, it's a wild, wild world out there, folks. But don't fret, it's not all doom and gloom. Remember, even the brightest minds once struggled to tie their shoelaces. Stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay human.
Ole siis inimene.
Ikkagi inimene.
Sest tehisintellekt veel ei mõtle, vaid täidab käskluseid. Näiteks käskisin tal teha video, miks peaks tehisintellekti videote tegemisel kasutama. Siin on üks lõik.
Imagine a world where making a video doesn't involve hours of tedious tasks. Envision a reality where you're unwinding with coffee as AI shoulders the burden. The robots are coming, not for world domination, but to edit your videos. Remember the days when making a video meant carrying around heavy equipment and spending hours in front of a computer screen? Traditional video production was tedious. Now, we have AI-powered production. It's swift, proficient, and might save you from frustration. So the next time you're dreading that video project, just remember, there's an AI for that.
Või tee mulle video 5 või 7 põhjust, miks ettevõtted peaksid kasutama YouTube'i. Selle videoga läks 2 minutit.
Why don't we tell secrets in a business? Because it's hard to keep a secret in a room full of marketers. Today, we're diving into 7 ways businesses can leverage YouTube for marketing. And don't worry, we won't be sharing any corporate secrets here. Stay tuned if you want to learn how to market your business without spilling any secrets. So, YouTube isn't just for cat videos and fail compilations, you know. It's a powerful tool in the digital marketing world. Unless your business involves cats or epic fails, then you're in the right place. Are you ready to transform your business from a snooze fest to a view fest? Keep watching. Now, let's dive into the 7 ways your business can be the next YouTube sensation, minus the viral dance challenges, of course. First, let's talk about tutorials. Who needs a manual when you've got YouTube? Your customers will thank you for saving them from a paper cut. And don't worry if you're not a Hollywood director. The beauty of YouTube tutorials is their authenticity. Next, customer testimonials. Nothing sells a product like a satisfied customer. Let them sing your praises and watch as trust in your brand skyrockets. Thirdly, behind-the-scenes videos. People love to feel like insiders. Give them a sneak peek into your process and they'll feel like part of the team. Fourth, host webinars. It's like a conference without the dreadful coffee. Use this platform to share your expertise and build a community around your brand. Fifth, product launches. Create buzz around your new product with a YouTube premiere. It's like a red carpet event minus the paparazzi. Sixth, Q&A sessions. Address your customers' queries in real time. It's customer service with a twist. And finally, collaborate with influencers. It's like having a cool friend vouch for you at a party. Instant credibility. Well, there you have it, folks. 7 ways to spice up your marketing strategy using YouTube. Remember, the goal isn't to become the next viral sensation, but to effectively engage your audience, unless of course you have a cat, then by all means go viral. So, to all the businesses out there still stuck in the stone age of marketing, it's time to swap your chisel for a keyboard and your stone tablet for a YouTube channel. Remember, in the world of business, it's either adapt or become extinct. Choose wisely.
Me saame mõne minutiga teha oma mõtetest video. Meil ei ole vaja kaamerat ega mingit fancyt montaažiprogrammi. Ka suur osa sellest videost on tehtud tehisintellekti abil. Tehisintellekt teeb ainult video esimese versiooni. Kui sulle midagi ei meeldi, siis sa saad seda mõne klikiga muuta, nii selle pikkust, teksti, pealelugemise häält, kattekaadreid, kus sa võid kasutada ka loomulikult oma olemasolevaid klippe. Tahad lisada subtiitrid? Kirjuta add subtitles. Ja sa ei pea tegema ainult YouTube'i jaoks, ka Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram ja teised formaadid on paari klikiga tehtavad. Kõik ei ole siiski nii roosiline, sest eestikeelse pealelugemisega on sellel programmil veel natuke raskuseid. Ja tasuta versioonis jäävad videopankadest võetud klippidele peale ka vesimärgid. Aga see on ka loogiline. Pead veel arvestama, et paar kuud tagasi ei olnud see külaloll veel sellisel tasemel. Ühest programmist said teksti, teisest pildi või klipid, kolmandast peale lugemise ja siis pidid ise selle kokku panema. Tehisintellekti puhul on kõige raskem teha prompt ehk küsida õigeid küsimusi või esitada õigeid käskluseid. Kui sa oled õppinud kingapaelu siduma, siis proovi järele, kas oskad sellele InVideo tehisajule mõne ülesande anda. Kui ei oska, siis vaata seda videot. Siit.